Blake Lively's courtroom appearance turned into a full-scale public humiliation, with Judge Louis J. Lyman ruthlessly dismantling her legal team as if it were a live stand-up comedy show. And the audience? They were eating it up. This case has taken a deeply personal turn, and the more information that emerges, the angrier people become. Blake's team is desperately trying to salvage her reputation, but there's no easy exit from this disaster. Lively walked into that courtroom as if she were about to deliver the final blow to Justin Baldoni, flaunting her Hollywood power, her A-list connections, and whatever fantasy world she lives in where fame bends the law in her favor. Instead, she was legally body-slammed so hard that even Ryan Reynolds knew better than to show up for the carnage. "You are not able to hold a logical thought," the judge declared. "But guess what? I, as a judge, am able to hold logical thoughts. We're going to slap that down. You obviously cannot do that." Oh, and the humiliation didn't stop there. Judge Lyman played the leaked audio in open court, the very recording Blake and Ryan have been scrambling to bury, hoping their Hollywood influence could erase it from existence. Whether the leak was legal or not is up for debate, but the content of the recording? Damning. Blake's case crumbled in real time, her credibility going up in flames, and she was powerless to stop it. Meanwhile, Baldoni secured a major legal win, standing tall as Blake's reputation disintegrated. No PR spin, no TMZ leaks, no celebrity allies rushing to her defense, just cold, hard reality smacking her in the face. Now, let's talk about Blake's comically absurd legal requests. The delusion was truly next level. Lively actually demanded 2.5 years' worth of Baldoni's phone records, text messages, emails, location data, and even doctor visits. Essentially, she tried to turn a Hollywood lawsuit into a full-scale FBI surveillance operation, as if she were starring in some high-stakes spy thriller instead of a courtroom drama. What exactly was she hoping to find? His Uber Eats receipts from 2022? His Amazon purchases from 3 Christmases ago? A doctor's note saying, "Mr. Baldoni had a headache today?" Judge Lyman wasn't having any of it. He swiftly shut down this ridiculous, overreaching subpoena, labeling it overly intrusive and disproportionate. Translation: Blake, are you out of your mind? The reality is, Blake only obtained certain text messages through a subpoena because she had an open legal case. But there's a difference between a standard court protective order and what Lively's team requested, an attorney's eyes only designation. The judge saw right through her nonsense and rejected it without hesitation. Blake's legal strategy backfired spectacularly, her case falling apart, and her reputation left in tatters. The era of using Hollywood power to manipulate the system? Officially over.